We're doing snack tray!
Hi!
Hola. Rogue _panda. Twitch TV.
Are you guys promoting yourselves right now?
No,
No?
I don't need to promote. I got promoters for me.
We'll do it. We'll do it at some point.
We're doing snack crate. Any guesses on what country we got?
Alright, time to us or
Was it
them?
between?
You guys!
Russia.
Was it between the three?
No.
No, it's a
random.
mystery.
Russia,
It's
Russia,
mystery,
Russia, Russia.
mystery.
Thailand.
Russia, Russia, Russia.
Russia, Thailand.
Germany.
Oh yeah, look at
That
the
was
camera
one of
like
the
that.
options. Okay.
It was?
Yeah. So
Oh.
he says Germany, Thailand, Russia. Kylie? America.
Weirdos.
Okay. Let's
Why would they send us America? We live in America.
Okay, what did we get? Canada.
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 Canada. Where all our food tastes like maple syrup.
So what do we get?
We got
Canada.
Oh no.
Lay's ketchup chips.
Oh no. Wait.
Did we really?
Lay's ketchup chips. Okay.
Kylie, wait.
I've always wanted to try those.
Wait. What's that?
We got Ruffles all dressed. Ass Isonis.
Azizoni.
Yeah, ass on your knees.
Oh my
Oh my gosh,
god.
that's what it says.
Ass on me.
Ashes on knees.
Okay, and then we got
You gotta- Display it.
coffee crisps.
Ooh.
That sounds
I always
good.
wanted to try this. I've seen this in so many factories.
We got a bear paw banana bread
Oh.
with pain auxiliary bananas.
What?
What pain?
Kylie, what's next?
What?
Kylie, what else? Is that a lollipop?
I don't want to try that.
You have to try everything.
Maple
No, Avery's
Maple
gonna lick it.
I
lollipop.
knew it!
I don't want.
Dude.
Wait, we didn't get everything.
Mr. Does that say Mr. Big?
Mr. Big. Where's that from?
Friends.
You can have that.
First,
Maple lollipop.
I was gonna say the ketchup chips.
No, we're saving that for last.
Can we break it?
You see?
100%.
No, we
pure
just
maple.
each lick a leaf.
Oh.
Alright, we won't get these.
You broke it.
You said it couldn't break it.
Alright, come on, open it.
Wait, is that really the first one we're trying?
Yes.
I don't.
Dang it.
Help yourself, Bebe.
It's just like pancakes without the pancakes.
Okay, you can stop recording me.
It's like what?
It's actually not that bad.
Okay, so I'm gonna lick this part, right? You're gonna lick this
Why?
part.
I can just lick my own dick.
That's true. Kylie, would you like a lick? Okay, ready?
Never mind. Take that back. The aftertaste. Okay, I put the side I licked down.
Oh!
You don't like it?
The aftertaste?
The initial taste is good.
Yeah.
The aftertaste, not so great.
It tastes like,
Syrup.
Canadians really eat this stuff?
I don't like it anymore.
The aftertaste. I'm telling you, it's the aftertaste.
No, no hands. Just your mouth.
What do you think of it? You like it?
No more? No hands. No hands.
I think she likes it.
She's a fan of it.
It's sweet.
Here you go. You can have the front part of the leaf.
Guess I'm having the front part of the
I
leaf.
guess I'm still licking this one.
It's like, wait a minute, I want more.
We're done with
It's
that.
very syrupy.
Let's do this one. Okay,
No.
Alright,
Wait,
fine.
wait.
This is the order
Who
right here.
chose the
This is the order.
lollipop to go first?
Wait.
Sophie, choose the next one.
Mr. Big.
Let's go with Mr. Big.
Alright, I think that's big enough to chop it up.
You wanna get a knife?
Wait,
No.
so since I tried first, Kelsey tries first.
Yep.
Let's try Mr. Big.
Mr. This channel is PG. God.
It's
Apparently-
not my fault, it's Fred's
Apparently
fault.
Canada's not PG. I'm scared.
This kind of looks like the whatchamacallit.
What is it called?
What's that?
The whatchamacallit chocolate
Yeah,
bar.
what is it called?
What is that?
Those are so good.
Whatchamacallit.
What is it called?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know what you're calling it.
Those are
It
really
was very similar to
Oh,
that.
this is like
Did you
already eat it?
What
No.
the?
it's melting.
A tiny piece,
Go.
tiny piece fell in my lap.
I like this one.
It was very similar to it.
This one fell on the floor. I don't like it.
She's like, how come I don't have any? Do you want to try your puffs again? Don't know.
I like this one.
This
I
one's-
will say, it's better than the bugs.
Everything's better than the bugs.
I'm getting a very
You know those
I'm getting a very buttercup.
no
They're okay.
no you know the
Butter-
what's the
Butterfinger.
the wafer chocolate wafer snacks that have the lady on it?
Kit Kats.
The lady?
Yeah,
The lady.
there's a lady on it. Right?
Oh, the ones in Filipino stores?
Well, I mean that's yeah you know
Yeah, the chocolate wafers.
they're like
Pink
rectangle.
one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Which one?
Pink one.
With the
and
peanut
brown
butter.
one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Just
just
like
the
that.
Asian wafers.
No, I don't know. Next.
Next.
You get avocado.
Oh, it's my choice. Coffee Crips.
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 Whoa.
Coffee Crips. Crisp.
Okay, go. Come on, man.
Okay, come on.
I want to try the ketchup chips.
I don't. I'm trying to stall.
People said
Where's
the
your
ketchup
pen?
chips are really good.
This one is
Borrow
another
my pen.
Can I borrow?
wafer like sustenance.
Yeah.
Are
Don't yuck my yum.
those your ratings?
Oh my god, I haven't heard that since high school.
I've never heard of them.
Really?
Don't yuck your yum?
Yeah.
I just started hearing it because of Speedy. Don't yuck my yum.
No, I haven't.
So it's like
I get it.
what people eat that they think is yummy.
Okay, grab your
but other
piece.
people think is yucky.
Oh, that's not how I heard it.
Grab your piece.
That's not how I heard
Dude,
it.
what's so big?
You don't have to eat all of it. Wow,
Mr. Big.
it really just smells like coffee.
Crisps.
That's too big.
Just bite a piece.
There's...
Oh. Boy.
Ooh.
Copper.
We're not sleeping tonight.
I will.
1, 2, 3.
Ow.
Mmm. I like that.
My foot.
Well, it's gone.
I don't like it.
I like these.
I like it.
Mm,
They're
good.
good.
Yeah.
They're good.
What do you say? Like a yum?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
3 yucks? I mean, 1 yuck, 3 yums? Don't yuck my yum.
Yuck.
Well, there's only this one.
Oh, I guess I'll do big. Sucker.
Mm-hmm.
Banana bread.
I'm still eating.
Banana bread.
Speaking of-
Everything really does go out of focus. Banana bread. Oh, there's 2 biscuits in here.
You're really good.
Any cashews?
160 milligrams of sodium?
Dang, they like their salt.
Ooh, I need to clean my palate.
Water.
Okay, let's see how this banana bread is. Beer pods.
Well, that's supposed to clean it with.
Salt.
Can you smell it?
What's wrong with it?
Smells like banana bread.
Why would you drop it?
How come we don't have stuff like that?
Whip it out.
You sure?
That's what she said.
You said this vlog is PG. Okay, so there's 2 cookies. You guys take one and break it in half.
I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this one.
You sure there's two? Is this supposed to be a bear paw? That looks like a bear dookie.
Looks like a bear.
Oh, there
foot.
it is. There it is. There it is.
Looks like Appa.
Wow, very moist. Why'd you get Sophie?
Whoa.
Why'd you get this?
She wants to play.
Hold on, Kylie.
Alright.
Look,
Bear
look,
paw.
looks like a butt.
Dude.
Wait, look.
It's very banana-y.
Do not.
Oh,
Don't.
wait.
No,
Guys,
don't.
we whipped it out.
Actual size.
I'm gonna be doing a lot of censoring in here.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I like the flavor.
Oh,
They're pretty good. I like this one better.
I need milk.
It's not sweet.
It would be good with milk.
Or coffee.
What's one of my favorites?
Just wait till it gets in the ketchup.
I don't want it.
No, I don't want it.
I like this one. This one and Big Mister. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just the most popular chip in Canada.
This one?
Yeah, made with
say it.
paprika and a secret blend of spices.
So good.
So good.
Most
guess-
popular
I guess I
in
should have read the
Canada.
other ones, huh? Ready?
Can I smell? I'll smell.
Oh,
What is that?
it smells really good though.
It smells like,
Salt vinegar.
yeah. She wanted to smell.
Oh, you want to
You
smell?
wanna smell it? Vinegar? I could smell a little bit of ketchup.
There's no ketchup.
I
in
know,
there.
but I could smell a little bit of it.
There's not even any tomato in this.
Smell it. Why would you do that?
I want the bottom chips.
It's a little crooked, I'm sorry.
Dude, why was your shoulder wet?
I don't know why you're crooked.
I know, you want one too, huh?
Why are you crooked?
Obviously, it's not tightened enough.
Alright, everyone grab a cheap. You guys grab first.
Why?
I want nose crummies.
Oh, dude! What are you doing?
Alright, ready?
Duck face.
Ready?
It's this one. All dressed in
Who?
ruffles. All dressed ruffles.
You forgot the other part.
No.
Ass on my knees. Go!
Let's try.
Weird. It's like barbecue, but it smells like
Vinegar.
Oh,
those are good.
Not bad.
Those are really good.
It like has like a little
Oh,
bit of
remind me of those
everything.
twisty ones. What are those
The,
twisty ones?
The honey barbecue Fritos?
No, it's a different chip. What is it?
honey barbecue.
Honey barbecue.
Those are the
Wait,
ones.
what is it?
The honey barbecue Fritos.
Is it Frito?
They're really small.
Yes.
The one
You
that's
wanna try it?
Maybe.
You wanna have a try? The flavor?
No.
That's interesting.
Alright,
No.
we saved the best.
Alright, good night, guys.
For last.
Ketchup.
So we only got the small crate, which comes with 5 or 6 snacks.
Wait, there's a big crate?
We got
There's a-
6.
There's a medium crate that comes with, what was it? I think 10 to 12 snacks.
We got small.
And the large crate comes with about 15 to 16 snacks.
How much is a large crate?
Order a large crate.
How much is a large crate?
I think it was like $40.
Ooh, let's split these.
The medium size I think is 22 right
No, I want the large. Wait, all the snacks.
So
We
go to
snack it.
Ooh, I hope
snackcrate.com.
they give us snacks from
If you
Korea.
guys want to try this out, this video is not sponsored.
Or sponsor us.
Or sponsor us.
Follow me on Twitch at Slifer_gaming.
I told you he was gonna do it.
You can't hold back. I'll censor it. I'll censor it.
Pants on. They're weirdos out there.
You wanna open it?
Weirdos, kick your ass.
Whoa, language.
You wanna open it?
Yeah, ketchup. Did you show the camera already?
Yes.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
For the record, I don't even like ketchup that much.
These two like the American ketchup.
Let me see.
Wow.
That's ketchup.
Well, duh.
In
a bag.
I think there's like vinegar in it too.
Stop putting your noses in
That's what
it.
ketchup is.
Nose crummies.
Made me tear a little bit.
Wait. Oh yeah, hold on.
Made me tear a
Lay's
little bit.
ketchup chip.
Smell it.
Hold on. These famous Canadian chips are the perfect mix of savory and salty flavors with a hint of sweetness that makes them irresistible.
You see this face, guys?
No, we can't.
We can see.
The most flavored one.
Dang it.
You want to switch?
No? Wait, are you holding her?
This is what it looks like. Oh, it's so out of focus. Focusing. Focusing. Focusing.
Kylie's toes are gonna mess up my flavor.
Focusing.
Don't you just tap the screen?
Focusing.
Alright.
Focusing.
Ready?
Ready?
Ketchup.
Wait, I need to go get water.
No, you don't. Come, hurry up.
Okay.
Ready?
Ketchup chips.
3, 2.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Ooh.
No. I don't like it.
It is straight up ketchup.
It's like taking a spoonful of ketchup.
You would think it'd be like fries.
But he's really into it.
I need more water. This is the best one.
How's gonna get there?
Dude.
Mm-hmm.
You know what these will go good with?
Milk. Coffee.
So is that your favorite one out of the snack crate?
Coffee crisp.
Coffee crisp.
Try it out.
From Canada.
You're nasty, man.
As you can see, the ketchup chips are his favorite one. Sophie, what was yours?
You don't look sad.
Those chips.
I was gonna say Mr. Big.
They're all dressed. All
That's
dressed
later.
ruffles.
Why would you say that? So quiet now.
You want one more ketchup?
It's still really quiet.
What happened?
The camera.
I have to compose myself.
What did I do?
And that's like this is like Spencer's from iCarly that eating cereal.
I think I'm gonna work too long. I don't think you're doing it right. Dude, she's about to boot you in the face with them clubs for legs.
Okay, so I think for me, my favorite was. Don't you dare make any comments. Was this chocolate bar because it's very similar.
What is it called?
It's very similar to the whatchamacallit
What's it
chocolate
called?
bar that we have.
What's that one?
Whatchamacallit.
No, what's that
Yeah,
one?
What do you call it?
This one has like Rice.
What's the name?
It's kind of like those fundraiser chocolates, the WF Crisp chocolates.
Nah.
That's similar to this.
Wait, what is it called? Mr. Big.
Cadbury Big.
Who's Cadbury?
It's the brand.
So he's Mr. Big.
Or she. We don't discriminate.
But I do like these ones too.
Do they sell these in big bags?
In Canada?
Not here?
No, I've seen them here.
At Walmart, right?
Oh, maybe.
I guess not.
Nope.
But yeah. All right.
I can't believe you don't like this.
So
That's
these are the
disgusting,
snacks.
No.
I can't believe you're like sitting there just munching on them.
They look good.
These are the snacks we got from Canada.
Man, your subscribers are just going down by the second.
Okay, stay tuned and we will see what we get next month. Bye.
There's another one?
If it turns out
Oh
because-
gosh, that's a wide view.